Priyanka, we are giving you a hike of 50%.
50%. 50%.
Anybody would have accepted that offer, right? But she said no. No to 50% salary hike, no to toxic work culture, no to deteriorating health, and saying yes to mental well being. Meet an independent tech woman who values mental well being over the mere amount of extra money. Welcome to the fourth episode of The Story Behind Adhikars.
Hi, my name is Priyanka Mishra. I am working as product manager in Netleak Technologies. I have total work experience of 7 years, in which I have been working in Netleak Technology since last 2 years. I started my journey with one telecommunication company where I started my career with product support engineer and then transitioning to the account management career. So in my previous company, majorly ऐसा होता था कि I had to work for more than 12 or 13 hours in a day to complete my task. So sometimes meetings and task execution of those people from the cross-functional team, उनको guidance देने में ही इतना ज़्यादा time लग जाता था that in order to execute my task, it was supposed to take a long time, due to which I will have to extend my working hours from 12 to 14 hours in a day. कभी-कभी मुझे midnight escalations भी लेने पड़ते. Where even sometimes due to the health condition, I was requesting the organization management team, okay, as I'm not well, I will not be able to handle those escalations. But I was forced to handle it because none of the team members was ready to take the accountability. When I was having my menstrual, I was supposed to request for leave in my organization, and the support was not there in terms of taking the leaves because they were thinking that it might reduce the productivity if we start giving these kind of leaves to the women. Now this resulted that I need to take numerous painkillers in order to have the relief in the stomach so that I can have my mobility. After consumption of those kind of painkillers, it impacted me in such a way that I started getting anxiety, also the sleeplessness in the nights. My sleep cycle was not getting completed. After working in this toxic culture, one day I decided it was a very high time that now I want to switch. It was impacting my daily routine, my health conditions and everything. और मुझे उसके साथ और ज़्यादा अब sacrifice नहीं करना. So I was looking कि क्या गुजरात में या बड़ौदा में क्या ऐसी कोई कंपनी exist भी करती है. While having that search, okay, I came to know about Netleak Technologies. Okay, I was stalking their website. Then I applied. So I came into the touch with HR. And then HR said यहाँ पे अभी कोई वैकेंसी नहीं है. पर इतना टारगेट हो चुका था कि अगर जाऊंगी तो मैं इसी कंपनी में जाऊँ. 1 year तक I was looking कि अच्छा अब क्या नया आ रहा है. And then finally one fine day I got a call from HR. We are having a vacancy in our product team. और मैंने फटाफट अप्लाई कर दिया. And on the day when I got the call from HR and the day where I was supposed to put my resignation, that particular month was an increment month. Now the announcement came from the management that I have been offered by 50% of hike from my current CTC. I got a call from our HR that okay, Priyanka, you are selected. I was in a dilemma that whether I should select the money or whether I should select the culture which gives me the platform, mental peace, a good employee welfare culture. So I took a decision that I want to go with Netleak. And then I was very happy. That was one thing that I was jumping on my bed. Now in Netleak, I have got a platform where I can communicate with cross-functional teams also. Let me tell you the interesting part. I took the offer by taking a designation of a product owner. कभी companies क्या होती है कि they wait for the full financial year to give you any kind of promotions. And then based on the skill set and how I have performed, they promoted me to as a product manager in just a span of 3 to 4 months. Who doesn't like the breaks? So in my current company, I am not responsible for taking any kind of permission from any department. So I can take my break anytime. And then coming to the toughest part of my journey about the menstrual. Previously, I was not aware about even this kind of policies does exist. Then I came to know that how much this organization is concerned about women health. Then I took few leaves and I really enjoyed that kind of peace of mind when I was into that state. And still we are using it and I'm completely very happy. Being on bed, I'm enjoying my work. There was also a case, my team was there in my bride room, literally discussing few of the projects. So it was a very happy period where I was very happy and filled with joy by seeing my team on my wedding occasion. So in Italy, first of all, that what I have got is the mental peace that I was looking for a very long time. Then I have got transparency in the communication with respect to any stuff that is happening in the company. I got recovered from my health conditions post marriage. I'm able to also have a very much good work-life balance. Okay, that I can handle home, I can handle the office at the same time. I do not have any midnight escalations now, and I can sleep properly. My sleeping cycle is proper now, and also I have got an amazing mentorship from my managers, from KD and Pranav. They have been always been a pillar for me. Each and every voice of the people are heard here, and they are also directing me to some more leadership roles, more leadership responsibilities that I can come up to, and yes, I'm serving them, very nicely, and I'm doing those particular things here now. ये लाइव स्टार्ट कर दिया
पहले पिचिंग वाला
2 सेकंड के लिए 2